ABS, the anti-lock braking system from Bosch, prevents locking of the wheels. ABS ensures that the vehicle remains steerable and stable while fully applying the brakes. The ABS control unit also continuously monitors all the wheels by means of the wheel speed sensors. Should the system recognize that the wheel is locked, ABS immediately intervenes and systematically regulates braking pressure. ABS can regulate each individual wheel within milliseconds. With the electronic anti-lock braking system, a sort of electronic intermittent braking, ABS achieves stability and steerability with the shortest possible braking distance. Let's have a look at the ABS benefits in practice. Shorter braking distance. Full braking was done at 70 km per hour. Without ABS, the vehicle takes longer to come to a complete halt. As demonstrated here, with ABS, the braking distance is significantly shorter and the vehicle remains stable. This will drastically reduce the number of accidents on the road. Full braking and swerving. Should the braking distance not suffice, the driver must swerve to evade the obstacle. Without ABS, the vehicle cannot respond to the driver's steering attempts. With ABS, the vehicle remains steerable and stable. A collision is thus avoidable. This is especially useful in Indian driving conditions. Full braking on different surfaces. Traction on the road may vary due to different weather conditions and surfaces like mud, gravel, sand, etc. When fully applying brakes without ABS, the vehicle can quickly become unstable. With ABS, the vehicle remains stable with an optimum braking distance even on full braking. This gives the driver more control and considerably reduces the chances of an accident. ABS, the anti-lock braking system with multiple benefits. Shorter braking distance. Full braking and swerving. Full braking on different surfaces.